Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, hello, my name is Nina Karma. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. You are very much appreciated, and you'll be more appreciated if you just take a second, literally a second of your time, go down below, click that red subscribe button, and next to it the notification bell. You know it's free to be part of this family, so click that red subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you anything. All right, anyways, today's video is about unboxing SHEIN, and okay, so it's unboxing SHEIN and first impression, because this is my very first time ordering from SHEIN. So let's go ahead and get this thing going. So this is my package. Yes, this is all I ordered, and mainly what's in here, you guys, are just bags and bags and bags and bags. Oh, and some belts. So let's go ahead and see what is in here in this bad boy, shall we? I got my scissors, and oh, as I'm doing this, I hope all of you are doing well. How everybody doing? If I can get this thing to be open. This is the package. It got all that, you know. Yeah, it was delivered via DHL, and this thing came in fast. I ordered these things on Tuesday, and I got my package on Friday. You guys, that was super fast. I wasn't expecting it to be that fast. My order was over 100, and I got the express shipping. So yeah, let's see. So let's go ahead and get this thing open up. Oh, it came in with this free SHEIN. What is this? Oh, a mirror. SHEIN mirror. Ooh, hello. Oh, this is cute. For free. Put it in your little purse, and you can go anywhere with it. You know, check your little makeup. Okay, go back and continue with your date. You know what I'm buying? Okay. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay, this right here was $7. So let's check the quality of it. Oh, Sustanina, what have you done, girl? So this is the tank top. Is a gray. It's cute or whatever. I like it, but I think I got in the wrong size, sister. No, it's a one size. You think this is gonna fit me? Wouldn't it be cropped? I wanted to be wearing it like a tuck it in my skirt and I mean, it stretches. The material is nice. It's kind of thick a little bit. Next is this trench coat. I've been wanting a springy blush, you know, color. The material is thin, but I read the reviews, and it said the color is not like it is in the on the site, but I personally think it matches. This is the trench coat. It looks nice. I love the color. I bought it because of the color, not necessarily because of like the thickness of it. I just want something to throw on and look girly and chic, you know what I mean? And this was $28. I like it. Yeah. Like, I'm just gonna go through the box. This is a belt. This belt was $6. And we'll see. Oh, I'm gonna be wearing this belt, especially with skirts. Excited! Can you tell? You cannot? Oh well, I'm very excited for real though. I really like that trench coat, you guys. It came out like the color is so pretty. This next belt is $7. It's like the other kind, except that this one has like little fringe at the tip of it, you know, a little extra, but damn, it's thin. And this was the most expensive one, $7. This is 4, and I like, this is thicker. Make it make sense to me, SHEIN. Why? Because you have a little dingly things at the tip of this one. This is so thin. I'm sorry if I'm looking down, it's because like I'm trying to show you guys the price. So this one was $5. The rhinestone on is nice. It looks legit kind of expensive-ish, you know. I think I'm gonna like this a lot, and the belt is thick, you know. All right, another belt, and this time I got it in like what called brown. It's a faux leather. It's like a cross between this one that I like and the one that I hate. Look how flimsy this one is. Like, come on now, what is this? It looks small. Okay, we're gonna wrap it around. Time to open up the purses, the bags. There you go. This is cute, you guys. Oh, okay. I like this. Oh, it's not that it's hard. It's not flimsy. And this is how it looks from the inside. The hardware is obviously gold. This is cute. Yeah, I'm gonna be looking chic on her. Next is this one, and this is, I'm kind of feeling blush pink for this spring / going into summer. This is I don't know how I feel about this one yet. I like the fact that it's blush pink. It looks so small. This is how it looks from the inside. So it's like a clear from the outside, and then this little compartment, I guess. What would you put in here? Your cell phone, your ID, and yeah, that's it. And call it a 9. It's kind of cute. I was expecting it to be a little bit bigger. I don't know. I'll say. The next purse bag is this. Oh no. And I was looking forward to this one, but oh, this is okay. It's like, it looks smashed. Look at this. It's bent, you guys. It's bent, and this is not oh, let's see, what can I do? But I like, it was supposed to be kind of like the first one, but this looks cheaply made. And this one was $11 still. This is flimsy. It's not hard. I mean, yeah, it's not hard. I mean, I know it's cheap, but still. And this is how it is from the inside. It has a gold chain, so I guess this is how you wear it. Close it up, and then you carry it like this, you know. Yeah. Next is another cute little bag. Let's see how that one looks like. This one is $10, and this is, oh, I love her. She is cute. I love the simplicity of it. This is so cute. Oh my. So this is how you just press the front, and then you open it up. It has a zipper, okay, and then the stripe, but it's like half leather, half chain. You can wear it like this, or you can wear it as a cross bag. This is so cute. Oh my god, I love it. I just love how simple it is. I just love it. It's so cute and chic. For $10, I am gonna wear it out until I cannot wear it anymore. You know, I like it. I love this little bag right here, this little guy. I like it. Why? Because I can't wait to be rocking it. I cannot. Okay? You hear me? I cannot. Next is this bag, another bag. Oh no. Oh no. It's bending, and what was I expecting for a $12 purse? Because if you kind of like open it up and let it, I don't know. I'm gonna put some cushion in there so that it can come back to its form. I think it will be cute. This is how it's looking. It looks big on the website, but in person it's smaller than what it is from the website. Cheap for leather. It would be a cute bag for Sundays, you know. I don't know about that one. Last but not least, out of all of them, this was the most expensive one, and it was $19. Let's see how that one looks like. Oh yeah, they double protected this one. Okay, they got the plastic bag, and then they have this this, I don't know what it is, but this thing over it. Okay. Ooh. Oh, this is cute. I wanted a white like handbag, and I think this is, it's cute. It's not bad. It doesn't feel bad. Okay. Yeah, it's bended from, you know, being in the package, I guess. Can you imagine if it wasn't express shipping? By the time it gets here, 2 weeks later or whatever weeks later, oh, I don't think I will, you know, enjoy my stuff. But okay, we're gonna figure out what to do with this one, because I really like this. I wanted a white handbag so bad, and I think this is cute. Super duper cute. Look at it. For $19. Listen, I'm gonna be walking around town like, hey John, what's up? You saw Devon. Okay, so alrighty, you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys had fun unboxing with me. This is my very first time unboxing something with you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. And what do I think about SHEIN? I was super duper impressed the fact that it took them like that fast to deliver my stuff. Like literally, I ordered my stuff Tuesday morning and I got my stuff on Friday, like in 2 days. So I was impressed by that, because I thought, you know, it's like, you know, overseas based online store, so I was thinking it would take forever. But in order to get 2-day shipping, you have to spend over $100, so you get that express shipping. But they also have free shipping on order of $49 and up, you know, so that I think is delivered within 7 business days, you know, $49 and up. So if you don't mind waiting, hey, you can do that. And anything else is just gonna come whenever. But I'm glad that I was like, I've been wanting all these items, so I accumulated everything that I wanted and then shopped and, you know, got the express shipping, so that way, you know, my things won't be like too flimsy. Like this one, I can only imagine if it was to come like after 7 days, it being in the box. So yeah, when ordering, think about that. As far as bags go, I think don't just buy one bag. It's better to buy, like, accumulate your shopping and then just shop, that's what I would say. And yeah, I love majority of the stuff except for two things. I really like this purse, if only it wasn't bent, but I think it's cute. It's kind of like that Chanel inspired purse. It's tweed material, so kind of like it. It's black and white with the pop of gold on it. I think it's cute. I like the stuff that I got. I can't wait to put on the blush pink trench coat. It's light, yes, but I can't wait. It's springy. The color is so cute. In all, will I order from SHEIN again? Yeah, the purses and belts, definitely I will. I like my first experience with them. There's no thank you note or nothing, SHEIN. This was my first time ordering. Shouldn't I have gotten a thank you note? But yeah, you do not have to break the bank to look chic, you know what I mean? So yes, you can. If you don't have the money for Chanel or Gucci, like SHEIN have some good inspiring dupes. Yeah, so yes, you guys, that is it, and I will catch you in my next videos. Until then, stay radiant and keep on living chic on a budget.
My love, no pape, my love, I can treat it, my love. Que t'ayant princesse tous les jours, my love. L'amour c'est plus belle richesse qu'il n'y, donc my love.